Hi, how are you, friend? Thank you for joining. I got up really early this morning and took a bath and then was working on the computer, and now I'm hungry. So with the healthy eating challenge in mind, I would like to bring you into my breakfast activity. So let's begin. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. I had to step over that cord because I had to put a extension cord on the blender today. So thank you. Have you been doing the eating healthy challenge? Let me get some more light here. Thanks for your patience. I should have did that ahead of time. Oops. Okay, we got that. And, as much light as I could get. Can you see me? Thank you. Thanks for being here. Okay. So we have an eating healthy challenge going on, which includes no carbs, no processed foods, and no processed sugars. Okay, mostly protein and fruits and vegetables. Great. So I have some delicious fruit here today, and I'm going to start by, let's start with a nice summer plum. Look at this gorgeous ripe plum. So let's start by, how do you like skin a plum? So I guess you would just start cutting at it, right? So let's just cut off the gorgeous meat. Man, I love fruit, if you can't tell already. All right. So yes, please put in the comments. Oh, look at that. We can get the plum meat off of there. Hi, babe. Here comes the kitty. Come here, babe. Come here. Okay. She always has to star in there, you know. Okay, we'll get to you in a minute. We're going to get your treat in a minute. I know. Thank you for being patient, little baby. Aw. All right, so we got this plum meat, so we're going to throw it in the blender. And I want to put dairy in there today because I really enjoyed that last one. So let's put 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. So the reason that I'm using dairy is because I want to get the magnesium, because usually low-fat foods, this is like whole milk, it should contain magnesium and calcium, amongst other vitamins. Okay, great. So let's go for the nectarine now. And I guess the same way to get the nectarine meat is to get it off of the pit. So we're just gonna cut the edges. All right, baby, I promise. If you see any kind of brown at all, just cut it off. Doesn't mean the whole fruit is bad. It just means get rid of any brown. I know. We have to star in every show, don't you? Okay, we're gonna get it. You like peach juice? Yeah. Okay. Great. All right. I always rub a little fruit on her mug. Okay, we're getting all that gorgeous peach meat off of the pit. I don't know any other way to do it besides just cut it off. Thanks for joining in, guys. This is gonna be delicious. So yeah, let me know. Have you gone to the store? Have you started buying healthier choices? instead of cupcakes? Have you been getting fruit? I'm not going to waste anything today. Okay. So now, the other day we used orange juice and it had sugar in it. And I'm like, that totally goes against our eating healthy challenge. So we're going to try organic cranberry blend. So the only ingredient this has is organic apple juice, organic cranberry juice, and organic Concord grape juice. It has 0 additives, just juice, not from concentrate. It's 100% vegan, unsweetened, allergen-free, no preservatives, gluten-free. Okay. So I only have a little bit of that left, but I have a whole another one here. And let me make sure I shook that up there. Shake it, baby. Okay. I'm going to eye about 1.5 cups. Great. So far we have a plum, a nectarine. From the juice, we have apple, cranberry, and grape. So, what else? Oh, we got the plain yogurt. And now, a surprise. Raspberries. Yay, delicious. And let's wash these raspberries. That's very important. So, the other fruit is washed. And I run hot water over it, and then I drain the water, and then I pat dry the water from the sink off of the fruit or vegetables, okay? Everything's falling on the floor. Okay. All right, wonderful. So let's get all that water, because that water is coming from the sink and it's not purified. I don't have a purify on there. But the next place I get, I'm definitely going to have that. All right, so we got the raspberries ready to go in. And now we're just going to put the raspberries into the blender. The last thing I want to add is some ice because it's about 105 degrees today. So I want to add like maybe about 6 ice cubes. Thanks for watching What's in Your Blender. And please let me know, have you been making healthier choices for what you put in your body? So like I said, instead of putting like cake and ice cream in your body, are you eating fresh fruit? All right, so turn it on and do the ice crush. All right, now I want to put it on high. Low. Get all that ice crushed up. Great. Now, can anyone think of a name for this gorgeous meal? This is a meal, by the way. I will not be having any other breakfast besides this smoothie. So if anyone can think of a name for this, let me know, because it has plum, nectarine, apple, cranberry, grape, yogurt, and ice. So let me know, let's be creative, and then after I'll title the video, the name that you choose. Oh yeah, wow. It's so funny, every time I make a smoothie, it matches what I'm wearing, because I got like some of that pink in there. Yay. I don't even want a straw today. I just want to wrap my lips around it. Cheers. Oh, wow. Heaven. Okay, so you don't have to use yogurt in this, just so you know. You can just do fruit. And this is the healthy eating challenge. I hashtagged it. I've been actually losing weight, and you'll be able to tell today at Pacific Daylight Time, 1 o'clock. So that's Los Angeles time, Las Vegas time. That'll be 1 o'clock. I put it in the post on my page at Corin Virtual Coach. Just to remind you, we're going to be doing a meditation / stretchercise. And the topic is letting go of negative energy. So please join me. That is in, let's see, it's about 10:30, 11, 12, so 2.5 hours, okay? So please join me in my live video. Cheers to the Healthy Eating Challenge. Please let me know if you're joining in. And I will be doing more eating videos. Also, I will be doing a cooking with Corin video on my lunch. So I don't think that's going to be today, but it'll be in the next couple days. So thank you. And hopefully you care about your health, your overall energy. Tutti frutti. We got it. Thank you, Brian. We got it. Tutti frutti to you and to me. Thank you very much. I love you.